as per the thing, this is a financial function in exercise number 1. What we want to suppose to do is, here we want to calculate EMI of every month. This is my interest rate, 6% interest. I borrow the loan 20 years, NPR is 20 years. How much amount I borrow is 1,50,000. So this is my rate. So EMI monthly EMI means what is the rate I will calculate is 6% divided by 12 monthly. Suppose it is quarterly, for example it is quarterly, 6% divided by 4. This is my thing. Try to understand. Quarterly means divided by 4, monthly means divided by 12. Are you getting? So same thing. I will do both quarterly and yearly or monthly. This is my NPR. This is, I will say, monthly case. Monthly, this is my thing. So here what is NPR is monthly. I want to calculate this one, that is 20 years. How many EMI I will pay? That is how many installment I will pay. 20 into 12. So 240 installment I will pay. Now PV is nothing but 1,50,000. This is what my amount. This is 0 by default, is optional only. Fixed amount at the end. What is the final amount? So we can. So what is the formula for it? PMT. This is what? PMT calculate payment of loan based. Every month what is my EMI amount? Very simple. Every month what is my EMI amount? Suppose 6% is my interest. 20 years I taken loan for this amount. So PMT rate. So I will calculate rate, comma, NPR, comma, and PV, comma, and then F. This is what my, this one. Very simple. So every month I should pay $1,074.65 rupees I want to pay for it. Same thing quarterly I will calculate here for your understanding. Quarterly, how the rate will differ us. So I will say 6% divided by 4 and 20 years and multiply by 4. Only 80 installment I will pay. This is amount. This is amount I will pay for it. So what I will do is, here also same formula, PMT, but amount may differ. So pay, this is my rate, comma, NPR, comma, and what is the other one? FP, that is PV, comma, and this is my principal amount. Principal amount, this is my, this amount, final amount. So I want to pay every 3 months once. Suppose my calculation is quarterly, 3,232 rupees. The same way I will calculate here. This is PMT. The formula name is what? PMT. Suppose I want to show the formula, I will show here. This is my formula, PMT, E1, F1, this is my PMT. Suppose same thing, I want to do it, the principal amount. What is my principal amount in 5th month? For example, if you say you are paying, this is my EMI for every month. There is 2 things in EMI. One is principal amount, one is called interest amount. Correct or not? This is my principal amount. This is my interest amount. Maybe what is my principal amount, what is my interest amount I want to calculate. So my principal amount is here nothing but, the formula is PPMT. This is same rate. You never do anything. So it is very easy. Copy and paste it. Same rate, that is monthly only. 5th month, what is my interest rate? So the formula is PPMT, principal. So PPMT rate. Here only one difference. They will ask you which is your PER. PER means which particular month you are asking. I am asking 5th month, so 5. If it is 3rd month means 3. You can type 3. If it is 5th month means 5. So that's why I am typing 5 here. And then NPR as usual. Here you take it. And what is my PV? Principal value. This is my final value. That's all. Very good. This is my principal amount. So in 1074 they are taking what? 331.19 is my, for example, sorry, 0.65 also is there. So it is there. So what is my interest of the particular month? That is also formula is there, just for rough calculation. What we do generally, this minus this is my interest rate. So 743.46 is my interest. How to calculate interest? Here you see. Same formula, copy and paste. Clear or not? Same formula. Suppose I want to know fifth month what is my interest rate. My interest rate should come what? 743. So instead of PPNT, what I will give? IPMT. IPMT means interest payment. You can see return of the interest payment. So IPNT bracket I will give same rate, comma here also which month interest? Fifth month interest. So fifth month interest. So I will get NPM correct, and then I will get principal value, comma as usual FP. I will. What is coming? Exactly is coming. Can you see it is matching? Are you getting? Same thing. Only you think is what is the three formula is PMT, PPMT, principal amount, IPMT for interest amount. That's all. Here too you should give per PER means which month installment. That's what we get. Even quarterly also, I will pay how many installment in quarterly? 80. If they ask fourth quarter, fifth quarter also, no problem. What is the problem? Same 4, same 5 you can give. Correct or not? This is what exactly the method of calculating PMT, PPMT and IPMT.